change the language on your Polar Critics Pro, press the lower left button to reach the menu, then go up right here to go at the very bottom of that menu to go inside settings and go into settings with that right button, and then enter into general settings, and then go down to language with the lower right button up to language just right here, and from here you can select the language you want from that list. Once you're satisfied, just select it. It will ask you to change language, so you can confirm by pressing here or cancel by pressing here. So I'm gonna apply this change, and there we are. You can now go back to the main menu or the main page by pressing the back button just right here. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.